As a starter, if you are going to learn some kind of programming, GW Basic is very widely being used all over the world, but it's a bit difficult to use on Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows XP. So there is a new version, you can say PC Basic. It's copyright from 2013 and 2018. Rob Hagmans have published this for the very first time. It's just the same as GW Basic. It's having the same commands we are using over here. So it's easily downloadable on Windows 7 and Windows XP. That is why I'm using it over here. It looks like the one you are seeing over here. At first place, whenever we are going to have some output or the result of our program, we need to write print. Very first command is the print command we are using right now, and we are adding two numbers like 30. It's a simple program of adding two numbers. I want to add 30 plus 20, and when I am pressing enter key, I'll be getting the result of my program as 50. You can see the result, which is the output of my program, right there in front of you. This is the direct method of getting output. There are two types of methods being involved over here. The very first one, as you can see, is the direct method of getting the result of our programs. There is another method I'll be teaching you over here, that is the one which is indirect method of getting outputs. So if we talk about the direct method, we need to just write print and then the numbers 10 minus 5, and I am pressing enter key now, and it is giving me the result right now in front of me. Then similarly you can multiply two numbers, but before that you need to don't forget to write print. And now for multiply is the star sign and then enter. You're getting the outputs like that. This is the direct method of getting outputs. There is a command which I am telling you right now. It's about CLS. CLS is the command which is clearing all that screen for us. CLS command is used to clear whatever you have written on in your program. After writing CLS, you just enter. Press enter, and the whole screen is clear for you, as you can see. Previously, I was telling you about the direct method, and there is one other method which is indirect method of getting outputs. That is, the name for that indirect method is list. For that, you need to mention line number. Whatever the line number you are mentioning, you need to just write the line number and then print, and the same program 30 plus 20, and when I'm pressing enter key, it's not showing me the direct answer. The as it's the indirect method of getting outputs, that is why it's not giving me answer right over here when I'm pressing enter. So this is indirect method. And how does it work? Like if we want to get the result of our program, how we are going to do that? There is another key, function key, F2. F2 key is there for you to run the program which you have made right now of adding two numbers. So when I'm pressing F2, it's automatically writing run and then giving me the answer of my program. This is called indirect method of getting outputs. That was all about simple programming in BASIC. And if the two methods which we have learned today, the first one was direct method and second one was indirect method of getting outputs. There's a simple program over here of adding two numbers. You can get sum of these two numbers like that as well. Right now I'm sharing the bookwork, byte by 2, bookwork chapter 8. Thank you so much.